Good morning, YouTube friends, and welcome back to Woodberrie Cottage. Today I've got two small projects to share with you, and they are from the Dollar Tree. I don't normally do Dollar Tree DIYs, but I went yesterday and I found these two items and I was so excited about it, so I'm going to share that with you today. Okay, let's get started. Okay, the first item that I found when I went in yesterday were these little miniature tree skirts. Oh my goodness, look. I'm so excited about these. Russell and I bought some used Christmas trees and we're breaking them down to make pencil trees with them. And these are going to go perfect with that. But I also had another idea for Thanksgiving, and I was going to paint it over this a fall color, but I decided against it because I do want to use these for the pencil trees. So I'm just going to take the label off and turn it around at my table. Or either I'm going to put, I've got these little turkeys. I might just sit a little turkey here so you can't see that. But I'm going to leave it like that. And what I need it for is to put our cheesecake on for Thanksgiving. Here's a picture of our cheesecake. 5 pounds that cheesecake is. So I want to make a cute little table topper cake stand to put it on. So that's what I'm going to do with this. It's going to be really simple. Look at that. And it's going to be cute for Thanksgiving. So all I'm going to do is glue this to that. Let's get started. Now I've got my E6000. This is a tube of that E6000, a small tube. And I've cut it open. And I've got this little plastic spatula that I use to peel labels off of things with. I keep it on a string so I can find it when I need it. But I love using E6000, but I cannot mash that tube. It's real difficult. That tube is real difficult for me to open or to squeeze. So let's just get some of this E6000 spread on here. All the way around. Everybody in my family loves cheesecake. And that 5 pounds of cheesecake for a whole family should last us all day Thanksgiving, I would think. A little extra for everybody to take home with them. And we'll have some toppings to go with it. Cherries, some chocolate sauce, some caramel sauce. This is our first year having that brand of cheesecake, so I'm excited about that. Hope it tastes good. Normally we also have a lemon meringue pie. All the guys are crazy about the lemon meringue pie in our family. We've got some good weather here in South Carolina today, so hopefully we'll get to work on those pencil trees today. It's a little windy, but it's not going to be cold. I know a lot of people add the hot glue also, but I find that the hot glue dries before I get a chance to go all the way around, so I'm not going to add the hot glue. I'm just going to use the E6000. Don't y'all think it would be so cool if E6000 came in a bottle? You remember how they might still sell it, I don't know. But you remember how they used to have rubber cement in a bottle? Wouldn't that be cool if E6000 was in a container like that? Now y'all might not have a trouble. But see, I got some arthritis in them fingers, and it's hard to squeeze that tube. And I tried doing the toothpaste method where you just roll it from the bottom. Seems like you waste so much doing that. But I tell you, I love E6000. It really does its job. Okay. Now we're going to find the center, which is easy on this board because this was a Lazy Susan and you can see where it's marked. Oh, don't mash it hard. Okay. There we go. I'm real excited about this tree skirt. I can't wait to see what all the content people are going to do with it. Because I know they're going to go crazy over this when it gets out there. Okay, now I just got to wait for that to dry, flip it over. And I'm going to do a light sand on this to clean it real good. And we'll have our cake holder for Thanksgiving. And we'll probably use it for a cookie tray during Christmas. And like I said, they came in two colors. They had the red with Merry Christmas. And they had farm fresh Christmas trees. And Grandbaby made a good point. He said it looks like a dog bowl with the bottom cut out. So, I mean, if you can't find these in your area, there you go. That might work for you to find you a dog bowl and just flip it over. Okay, the next thing I found on that same day were some more of these prayer cards. And I've been looking and looking and looking in different Dollar trees when I go to them to find them. And they're not easy to find. Not all of them carry. This store had 3 packs, so I got them. And in our previous video, I show you where we take the wood drops, paint them, distress them, and then decoupage these on them for a gift. But there's so much you can do with these prayer cards. I'm going to show you another item, or another idea. Look at that. And I'm going to show you how I made that right quick, okay? Alright, only thing I need to do to finish it is put my string on it. Pull through. Alright, now you can put this on a gift. You can put it on a decoration. You can leave it on the doorknob if you're going to visit somebody and they're not home. You just do all kinds of stuff with this. Alright, you could cut another one exactly the same with cardboard and glue it to it and put another one on this side and make 2 prayers or 2 scriptures on both sides. That would be cute. I mean, sky's just the limit with these things. They are so fun. Today's prayer, and then on the other side, it has a scripture. And I'm going to show you how I made that. It was really simple. You get these at the Hobby Lobby. This one cuts 3 different sizes. They are right expensive, but they're heavy duty and they do last a good while. And I think I read on the directions, if the blade gets dull, they tell you how to sharpen it, I believe with tin foil. But anyhow, it's very easy to use. And you might think, well, that says the biggest one is 2.5 inches, and this is wider than 2.5 inches. Well, that's true. But no worries. I'll just put it in there. Just make it work for what you need it for. Okay, you put that in there. Line it up with equal amounts on both sides. Press down. That cuts it. See that? Now you're going to have these 2 leftovers. See the difference? You have those 2 leftovers. But just cut them off. So I'm just going to cut them off in like a circle. And if you don't want a freehand cutting that, just put you a glass, something round there and draw it. There you go. Now that's simple. Simple, cute, and meaningful. And $1.25 for 20 cards. So if you find these and you like to do inspirational gifts, pick you up some. It's a great rainy day project. Okay, that's all I got for you today. If you enjoyed this video, how about hit that thumbs up and subscribe to our channel? Okay, if you enjoyed that video and you'd like to see more content like this, how about hit that thumbs up and subscribe to our channel? It means a lot to us. We're working really, really hard to grow our channel, and we would appreciate it so much. All right, see you next time. Bye.